It's the ocean. Oh man, that's the street. Oh crap. Whoa. Ew. Oh wow, what the hell? Look at this. Whoa man, the car ain't never gonna be the same after this one. You better turn this thing into a boat. Man, look at this. What the hell? Oh man. Man, right? Unless you're gonna turn this into a boat. Wow, look at this craziness. This storm drain is developed by water. Ooh, what the hell?
What was that?
Man.
Transferring over.
No way.
I don't know what it was.
Hopefully it's all tires again. Yeah. We're driving through an ocean, a lake. Wow, what is this craziness? What the hell? Man. Wow. That's some stuff. You're definitely not going down this street unless you turn your car into a boat. Oh, it's like raging waters. It's like recording a fucking ride.
You hear my wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, what's that?
I don't know.